Tired of the mystery behind your car's check engine light? Introducing the TOPDON Carpal, your personal mechanic in your pocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Weekly Tools. Today we're diving into the TOPDON Carpal OBD2 scanner with Bluetooth connectivity. This compact yet powerful tool is a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. So if you're looking to diagnose and troubleshoot your car's problems straight from your phone, keep watching. But what is the TOPDON Carpal OBD2 scanner? TOPDON Carpal is a portable OBD2 scanner that connects to your car's OBD2 port and communicates with your smartphone via Bluetooth. With this device, you can scan for trouble codes, monitor real-time data, and get detailed diagnostic reports directly on your phone. It's compatible with most vehicles built after 1996, covering a wide range of makes and models. Says key features. Now let's go over the key features that make the TOPDON Carpal OBD2 scanner stand out. The Bluetooth connectivity. Forget about those bulky cables. The Carpal connects wirelessly to your smartphone, making it super convenient to use. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTC. Reading all OBD2 protocols, so whether it's an engine issue or emissions trouble, you'll be able to see exactly what's wrong. Real-time data monitoring. You can view real-time sensor data on your phone like engine RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system status, and more. This is perfect for keeping an eye on your car's health while you drive. Battery health check. One cool extra feature is its ability to check your battery health, which can help you catch a weak battery before it becomes a problem. Emissions testing. The TOPDON Carpal also offers a readiness test for emissions, so you can see if your car will pass a smog check before heading in. User-friendly app. The Carpal works with the free TOPDON CarScan app, available for both iOS and Android. It's intuitive and makes diagnostics straightforward. All right, let's set it up. Here's a quick guide to getting started with your TOPDON Carpal OBD2 scanner. Plug the Carpal into the OBD2 port. First, locate the OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard on the driver's side, and plug in the device. Pair with your smartphone. Once it's plugged in, turn on your car's ignition, open Bluetooth on your smartphone, and pair it with the Carpal. Easy. Download the CarScan app. Next, download and open the TOPDON CarScan app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Run your first scan. In the app, tap on Scan to start the diagnostic process. The app will identify any active trouble codes and give you detailed information on each. Using the scanner, now let's see what the Carpal can do. I'll show you a few key features on my own car. Now, reading trouble codes. You can see here it's found a few trouble codes. When you tap on each code, the app provides a description of the issue and possible fixes. Clearing codes. Once you fix the issue, you can use the app to clear the trouble codes and turn off that annoying check engine light. Battery health check. This feature is super helpful. It shows your battery's voltage in real time, so you can see if it's holding a healthy charge. Live data monitoring. Look at this. You can see everything from engine load to coolant temperature. Perfect for understanding how your car is performing. Pros. Wireless, compact, and easy to use. Full DTC reading and clearing capability. Live data monitoring, battery and emissions checks affordable compared to full diagnostic scanners. Cons limited to OBD2 functions. Requires smartphone for operation. Final verdict. So, what's the verdict? For the price and convenience, the TOPDON Carpal OBD2 scanner is an awesome little tool that makes car diagnostics a breeze. If you're looking for an affordable and powerful scanner that works right from your phone, definitely check out the TOPDON Carpal. I'll drop a link below if you want to grab one for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.